Job. Welcome back. We are on level 4, which is the closed eye walking. So take an object, and usually a little bit bigger than the marker, more like a cup or a bottle. And Shawn's going to be, well, we don't have the space for it. So your markers are 5 feet, 10 feet, and 15 feet back. Let's start at the 5 foot. And he closes his eyes, or if you wanted to do a scarf or a Kleenex, but I trust, or not Kleenex, a bandana. And so, Shawn, put your hands out and find the marker. That was pretty close. He overshot it a little bit. Now, with Shawn and with his vision and his peripheral vision, we've done where I've put trash cans and obstacles in the way. so he's aware of this is spatial awareness. He's aware of where his body's at in space. Okay, so then this is done the same way, but just at 5 feet, 10 feet, and 15 feet. And with little ones, just do the 5 feet. Okay, that's, and then the next thing is measuring objects. So take anything. Hi, baby. And that was my grandson, sorry. I have to say hi. Okay, so you're going to take, and this is estimation. This is neurally what you need for math concepts and estimating. And see, he's already practicing. So you would do the 5, 10, and the 15 feet to master it, and estimate about the width of the Kleenex. And now I have kids that try to measure, try to count the stripes in the jump rope or whatever I have. Just watch that they're not slipping their hands, that they actually are estimating from 5 foot, 10 foot, and 15 feet. Okay, so go ahead. All right, so he's a little bit wide. Go back, and usually I would put a tape down. So for my 5 and my 10 and my 15. All right, that's it. That's pretty close. So good job, everybody. Give him a round of applause. All right, so that was measuring objects. Okay. And now, Shawn, have a seat. And take a lay. Congratulations.